to die for this. I mean, we've had guns pulled, we've had guns shot, we've had people show guns, we've had death threats. I just know that if it was one of my girls, I'd do anything. And if it was one of your kids, how far would you want me to push? What wouldn't you be willing to do to get your girls out? I know that's an uncomfortable thing to hear, but I want you to imagine how uncomfortable this precious little child must be feeling right now as they're being forced to do things that children shouldn't even know exist. As my team and I go into these brothels looking for underage girls to help out, I know we all dream of a time that we'll go in and not be able to find young children, but that's not the case today. There are so many young children trapped in the sex industry. Every 26 seconds, a new child is being forced into this industry, and it has to stop. And it's only going to stop if good people like you and I stand up and refuse to do nothing.
We'll be raising funds for that second home in Lau. It will house 40 girls. Destiny Rescue has already identified some of these girls. They are just waiting for the home to be ready. On Saturday, the 13th of September, we'll be holding Ride to Rescue. The whole ride is along designated M7 bike path, making it safe for all ages. Riders can choose to ride 25, 40, 60 or 80 kilometres. Riders can also fundraise through online donations or direct cash donations. If riding's not for you, we'd love you to sponsor a rider or volunteer on the day. To register, simply email m7ride@gmail.com with your name and your contact details.
Hi, I'd just like to encourage you to really get behind this project, Ride to Rescue. This year you can make a real difference in kids' lives. Kids who are being sexually trafficked, which is hard to believe in today's day and age, but it happens. And I believe every one of us, we want to do something significant with our lives. We want to make a difference. And this project is a real practical way that you can make a difference on this planet. This year we're believing to raise enough funds to get a house off the ground to house over 40 children. And these kids, without your help and your support, would otherwise have a pretty dark future. So come on, let's get on board, let's do what we can and make a difference in 2014.